Hey, good morning, everyone.
Yay!
It's the last day. This is day number 9 of the big RV show.
Days,
Yep.
8 hours a day.
Yeah, we're looking forward to meeting a lot of you, so come on by.
We are tired, sorry. But come by, talk, yes.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Tigner Adventures. Like we said, this is the last day, day number 9. We are at booth 319 at the big RV tent show in Quartzsite, Arizona. So we have booth 319. We are representing RV Life here. So we have everything set up here so you can come by if you have any kind of questions or anything. Guess it's time for the show to open up. So, show's now open. So come on by and see us because we can pull everything up on my laptop. We can look at what issues you're having. We can see if we can't figure them out. Show you some tips and tricks right here in our booth. But we're also going to go out and talk to a few different individuals today, just to kind of round things off today as far as things that we're doing here for the show and showing you what's around here.
Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm the Customer Experience Manager for Harvest Host. We're a travel company that offers host locations across the U.S. for RVers who are on their way from one destination to another. We have farms, wineries, breweries, and distilleries and attractions, all for our classic plan. It offers over 5,500 host locations. We have an all-access membership that includes golf courses and our company, Boondockers Welcome, which is RVers like you who offers a parking spot in their yard or driveway. Harvest Host and Escapees RV Club have now partnered together to bring all the benefits of community and fun to our members. Our all-access member level will receive an Escapees RV Club along with a new discount campground partner membership. This will bring all the fun and excitement, making Harvest Host the largest, most fun RV camping membership in America and Canada. So check us out at harvesthosts.com and escapees.com. Thank you so much.
All right, my name is Gabriel Alvarado. I'm with Centramatic. We make onboard wheel balancers that go on vehicles, RVs, campers, over-the-road trunking, Class A, Class C, 3/4 ton and 1 ton trucks and up. What it is inside these rings, we have a media called Durametal. It's 10 times harder than steel. It's got a synthetic moly-bath inside these rings. The way it works is when these rings get up to about 35 RPM, the media starts to spread out in it, like in this demonstrator. This demonstrator, we have a weight and an imbalance, clear to see. When you put on our balancer, nothing changed. The weight point's still where it is, quite a bit of weight. With centrifugal force, the media spreads out inside. As you see the ball start to move, they spread out. So as you pick up weight, as you scrub weight, this balancer is adjusting. But it's more than a balancer for your wheel and tire. Because we bolted the chassis, we're not in your tire, we're not on your wheel. We're bolted to the chassis. We're able to balance the entire axle assembly, all the way down to the bearing. We give you up to 25 to 35% more tread life, 8 to 10 degrees cooler temperatures running. It will save you a little bit of fuel, and in the RV and camping world, it's going to save on maintenance of your chassis, your components like your slide outs, your electronics, your hard parts, your bushings. We've been in business since 1984. We're going on our 40th year. This is all we do is balance. We also make a few for motorcycles like cruisers, Harleys, Indians, Victories. We make some for Jeeps. We don't fit half-ton trucks or down because they don't leave enough room inside the brake caliper and the wheel to be able to fit it there. We are working on some fitments, but we're not there yet. We do make it for the Bronco, the new Bronco, not the Sport, not the Raptor, but like the Sasquatch. We make those and they require an adapter.
This is the HD shocks for your motorhomes, pickups, 1-ton trucks to semis. It's a heavy-duty shock built for heavy hauling. If you come over here, it's your standard shock. Hardly any rebound. this right here is just showing the gas pressure.
So it's helping keep your tire on the ground.
Helps keep your tire on the ground, keeps the stability of your RV, handling a lot better. More control. So our shocks are tuned for each application. So you'll notice a lot of other companies will build a shock and it's kind of fits multitude of applications, where we pair it for the right application and the use for the vehicle. What we've noticed too is with that stability and different outfits of RVs, because they're not all built the same, we build the shock per the application.
So when you're going to order, if you want to order a pair, then you have a website, or how do you do it? Do you fill
We go
something
through
out, or-
hdshocks.com. We usually will contact the customer, see how their vehicle, their application is, and then we'll pair the right shock with the. It's the best first step for any vehicle, if you wanted to think of it that way.
Oh, okay. So but it's for big rigs and RVs, not just big trucks. It's for
Correct.
RVs
Yep.
also.
Semis all the way down to 3/4 ton trucks, medium duty trucks, RVs, Super Cs. We're really popular in the Super C market right now, and the Class A's.
What kind of pricing are we looking at?
They vary. They start out at $490 a shock, and they go up depending on the application and fitment.
And can you install them yourself, or do you have to have them installed?
Usually, if a person's handy with tools, should be not a hard application install.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
So get a hold of you at
hdshocks.com.
So my name is James Young, owner and operator of a company called Beeline Skirting. We actually do the install on site, so we travel the whole western United States for these skirts, and we come out, we do a direct fit measurement on your trailer. All of our product has a 2-year warranty on it, and like I said, we travel the entire western United States, anywhere from Idaho to Arizona, Colorado to New Mexico. And we would love to get you guys on board.
So do you do this only on trailers or motorhomes also?
We do this on trailers, motorhomes, and we actually have another product we utilize that does it on modular homes as well.
So you kind of cover everything then?
We do, pretty much a little bit of everything. And right now we're actually implementing some more woodworking products. So we're actually doing like butcher block sink inserts. So you actually have a cutting board that doubles as a sink insert on your RVs. And we also are making really heavy-duty tarps out of this same material. It's a 7-year material. The stuff doesn't go anywhere. If anyone who's ever had a tarp, you know after like 1 or 2 windstorms, that tarp is ripped and is probably worthless. Our tarps will last you darn near a decade.
My name is Tony Hilsendagger. I own Straight Line RV and Boat. We have 2 locations, one in Springfield, Oregon, and another in Phoenix, Arizona. We specialize specifically in RV collision repair, so it's kind of a special niche where not every body shop is equipped or familiar with doing RV specific type repairs, and we've been doing that for quite a few years now, so got a lot of experience. I've personally been doing it for 30 years, and I've had my business now for 17, so we've fixed a lot of different types of damage, as well as your normal wear and tear, peeling paint, peeling clear coat, of course, faded gel coat, all that kind of stuff. A lot of fiberglass repair. So yeah, it's not something everybody does, so it's definitely nice to know if there's a place out there that specializes in it, and the 2 locations is convenient for everybody that travels north and south along the west coast. It's nice to know you're covered at either end of your trip there.
Hi, I'm Roger Hunkler with Hunkler Fabrication. My wife Claire and I are the inventors of the Magne Shade. We're here in QUARTZSITE, Arizona with our show trailer. So our website is magneshade.com. That's M-A-G-N-E shade.com. We produce the finest magnetic shades, the only system that installs from the ground without a ladder. in the country, and we make shades for yachts, motorhomes, travel trailers, RVs, tow protection shields, patented tire shades, wiper covers, just about anything you can shade a vehicle with. We're very technical in our product, and everything is magnetic, so it's very easy to use, very high quality.
Whew. Well, it is done. The end of day 9 and the end of the QUARTZSITE show. Everybody is tearing everything down. We thought, oh shoot, we got to stop and make a video. So this is the end of this video and end of the QUARTZSITE RV show. So we have met a lot of cool people. We have learned a lot ourselves, and hopefully we've been able to help a lot of people. It seems like we've had some of them come back multiple times, and they were getting pretty good at it by the end of the week. So anyway, we do have our playlist that has all of our TripWizard planning stuff, basically all our trip planning information on it that you can look at. And we do have a playlist that's just all the videos we've made in QUARTZSITE over the years. So you can look at all the different vendors that have been around here and all the different things that we've been able to do while we've been here. So again, we were here with RV Life, representing RV Life. That is the software that we use for all of our trip planning needs, and that's what, yeah, all of our traveling and everything.
We wouldn't travel without it.
We sure wouldn't. I mean, that would be definitely be scary. So anyway, so we got a couple more videos that will be coming out. Our seminar that we did will be on a video soon, and then we will be doing a question and answer before the end of the month. So we got a few things going on still, but this finishes the show. So thanks for coming along. Hopefully we'll see you down the road, and if not, on our next video. So you guys take care. Bye.